Arts Workfly.
Okay guys, today I have another TEMU haul and let's go. No more talking. So I bought two tablets, two small size tablets. They're only 50. There's only $15,000 for the two. Remind me later, guys. Always bring my scissors. This one sounds like it's shaking. Alright, we're gonna look at this. Right now. And this is the next one. So we're gonna open this one first. I'm not even sure if the mic is working, but if it's not working, I will do a voice over. Ooh, what is something like? Lift up here. So, a little booklet. Then it comes with this. That. And then it's like this. And whatever is in this. Oh, so this is like the charger. And that here. Try not to make the video long. The charger over here. The tablet. She's very new. Have some scratches on the back. Definitely have some scratches at the back here.
So far, both tablets have been working extremely well, so I definitely would recommend it.
Yeah, I got some scratches here. Okay guys, I'm gonna let my husband set it up so I won't go any further with this. I'm gonna put it back and my husband will come and set it up. Alright, so this one now, that seems to be shaking. Taking the plastic off. I open it the wrong way, I guess. See? Oh, it wasn't the wrong way. Why didn't turn it so? Who come from? Like this. This seems weak. There's scratches here also for this one.
Please.
Okay guys, so I ran out of storage. I had to transfer my files. So what was in this box is this. And the reason why we're shaking is because nothing was in this bag. It seems like everything was in here, so it was shaking like that. So it has this charger, it has this thing here, sticker, and it has the manual. No, it's only one manual. This one This one is from this one here, and I just throw it in here. Alright, so that's it for this TEMU all. About 2 tablets. They're very small, very small, both of them, but this one here is bigger than the other one, or it could be just the case, but the case for this one is not, I don't feel that it's strong for a toddler, for a small child. Okay, so it's just the case, it's bigger, but it's the same size tablets. Yeah, definitely the same size. Alright, so yes guys, that's it. Thank you. Artwork fly.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.